Peter Pan movie. That little kid was just like, there you are, Peter. They were like, there you are, Doja. You smoke weed now. So now you're your fully evolved true self. I'm like, bro, no. Like, I just smoked a little bit, but like, I got too high last night, and bruh, that was horrible. I'm not doing that shit anymore. I'm not even gonna smoke anymore. I'm just gonna smoke toilet paper, bro. I'm moving on. I'm evolving, and I'm refining myself as an adult, you know? Becoming mature. I'm not smoking them drugs. I'm smoking paper now, dude. Just putting Bounty and fucking Charmin in my backwoods for now on. Totally kidding. No, I'm always too high too. But you know when you're too high, but you know you're too high? Like, there's times where I'm too high, but I don't know if I'm too high because I feel good. I'm cool. Like, I'm lucid and I'm steering the ship. But then there's times where I'm high and I'm like, negative thoughts. Just, you know what I mean? Do I got something in my... Oh my god, I do have something in my teeth. Thank you, guys. I think I got it. Thank you, I appreciate that. Bitch. It's really just a scam. It's a scam. The biggest scam, not the biggest scam, one of the biggest scams, next to Fire Festival, is that weed can be non-psychoactive. Non-psychoactive. The shit's psychoactive, bro. That's how the fuck... That's what weed is. That's like saying, these are shrooms, but they're diet shrooms. What am I getting from the shroom? The flavor? Why the fuck... Dude, weed is psychoactive. That's it. That's the story. Tyler's cupcaking on the balcony. Hold on, we have to go make fun of my friend. He's talking about some punani. He got a girlfriend. Oh my god. I'm literally 3 years old. Like, I don't even know anymore.
I'm 3 years old too.
Good, bitch. Somebody just said, I hope you jump off. Like, jump off the fucking...
Say, nigga, don't be doing that.
Yeah.
Why the legs don't feel like that? Close them, bro.
Don't make fun of my boner legs. Don't make fun of my boner legs. Yeah, that's how I default lay down. This is how I just position my body normally. That's just this is how I sit. This is me laying down, this is how I sleep, and then this is me sitting down. Just like this. Just, yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? Just having a serious business conference, and I'm sitting like this. Yeah, so stocks went up 40% today. Hold on. Yeah, I talked to Janine, and she told me they shut the whole thing down. I don't care. Buy it. Sell it. Sell it. Buy it. You're fired. You're hired. This is my room. Get off my live, bro. Get off my live.
You make the weird ass.
Get off my live, Oh my god, this is so...
Inception.
Wait for it to happen, wait for it. Oh my god, this is so...
Yeah.
Oh my god, we're going deeper in the rabbit hole right now, you guys. Oh my god.
Childish. I'm done.
Yo, I just had Brussels sprouts and I burped right in that nigga's mouth. Low key. That's why he walked away, for real. He didn't walk away because we were done with the... I burped right in his fucking face. Hey, I will say Katsuya isn't all bad. I can fuck with the Brussels sprouts. I can fuck with the Brussels sprouts. They do like these, they're very oily, but it's good. Oh, you can't even hear me. I was saying Katsuya isn't all bad. Fuck with the Brussels sprouts from there. Don't say that. You know I can't be the next Beyonce with my hairline looking like this. Do you see this? Do you see this? Look at my fucking hairline. What am I, what are you gonna do at this point? I don't give a fuck. I don't give a shit. I don't give a fuck. It sucks not having a hairline, but then also, is it worth me hiding? If I had like a penis growing out of my forehead that had genital warts on it, then I'd be like, first I gotta contact the FBI, the government, and then I gotta be like, dude, nobody can see me like this. But just like losing your edges, it's a different story. And then also it's like the tan line. Like I wore wigs and my shit just tanned. It's spelled with an A. She said warts. She's up where it raises up like a mountain. Beauty marks are flat. You can't fake a beauty mark unless it's nice and flat. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Pop it and put toothpaste on it overnight. It burns it out. That is the biggest... I understand what you mean, but can I tell you guys the safe way to do it, which is not a safe way? You take alcohol and you put it on a Q-tip and you rub it around the pimple, and then you take Neosporin. Yes, alcohol. I know you guys are looking at me crazy. Suck my dick. I don't care. Let me finish. You put it on the pimple, you rub it around, and then you put the Neosporin on the pimple, and then you put a Band-Aid on top of that, so that the parts that you put alcohol on makes it nice and dry, so the sticky part doesn't come off overnight. So then you go to sleep, then you wake up in the morning, and then your shit is flat. And I swear to God it works. Swear to God. 9 times out of 10. So go try that now. Do not put toothpaste on your face. It's for your teeth. It's for your mouth. Not your face. Steam your face? Yeah, steam your face. Wash your face in the shower. All that steam opens up your pores. You want all the nutrients from all your products to get in there. I haven't been washing my face like that. I'm not proud of that. I'm not fucking proud of that. I'm upset. I don't need to be not washing my face. Really? What happened? Lydia.
Yeah.
I was asking you, really.
Oh.
What's going on?
We're on a call about the AVN Awards. Well, 1 second.
Okay.
We're on a call about the AVN Awards, and
I'm on live.
Oh.
cryptically. Do it. Yeah.
Do you want her to be the choreographer for the Aviana Awards? That's only 5 minutes.
Sure.
Or do you
Not really.
make us enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
She'll just do the dancers. Tell her to do the dancers, and I won't even out her. Or yeah, I guess. Yeah. Yes. For Avian. Yes. We'll take her.
You can pick up. So the thing is,
I like her. She's fire, but I don't want to do something like. I don't want to do all that.
Do you want to try the girl that what's his name was talking about? Sal.
Yeah, I'll talk to her.
Just because the Aviana Awards is coming up, and then the Awards this weekend.
Maybe we don't do dancers. We just do fucking. Oh my God, no.
Okay.
Yeah, no.
Hey.
What? What, Yeti?
I was wishing we missed it by now.
You want to leave your phone in here?
No, I was gonna. Wish
You
you
could
a
chill in here.
I was wishing you a happy.
Oh, shut the fuck up! It's 421, dude. You should have screamed that shit.
I was like,
Oh my God, Yeti! It's 420. Oh no, it's not 420. It's 421. Fuck. I always wish you a happy 420. Anyway, you guys, I love you. I gotta go. I'm gonna go do nothing or something. All right, love you. Bye.